If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Photos app. Now over here you can just simply choose whichever photo or picture you want to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then choose Use As. And then we should be able to find the wallpaper option. So we're gonna choose that. You can still tap on the preview to make some adjustments. So you should be able to, for example, zoom in, zoom out, and move the picture around. There we go. Besides that, here at the bottom, we can find effects. So at least sometimes you should be able to use them, if not most of the time. And then here we can, for example, apply a shape. You should be able to change the color for that background. We have the weather effect and cinematic 3D motion that we can apply to the wallpaper if you want to do so. In my case, I'm not going to use these effects. I'm just going to go back and just go next over here. Then you can also decide if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both of these screens, and then tap on Apply. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Leave a like and subscribe.